Well guys, it's Friday and I'm going to head in here to get warmed up, but I did a little video here for you guys. I'm going to talk about a couple things, and you guys can leave your opinions and comments, and that'd be great. Trade deal. How much equipment are you guys going to buy? You're supposed to buy bigger tractors now, not just small ones. I've been working on that a long time, buying bigger ones. And leave your opinions on that if you want. I did get a package in the mail. You'll see that in the video from Our Wyoming Life beef jerky. That's really good stuff, especially on these cool days to walk around and chew that stuff. It keeps you warm. I got the pepper one and teriyaki, and I forget what the other one is, but tried two of them so far. Really enjoy them. So I hope you guys have a great Friday. Keep warm. I'm gonna get ready for the big snowstorm. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, and yeah, have a great day. Good afternoon, guys. Well, we're getting ready for the big snowstorm, ice storm, or whatever is going to be coming through. Yeah, it looks a little different. Well, I got to make sure the equipment's ready to go. The snow mounts are all over the board, so we'll see what we get. So yesterday, we had C&K here. Maybe some of you guys don't know, but we had trouble with the water tanks in the background. I'll show you a little bit. The barn was absolutely a mess. Put my collar here out of my way. And, well, we got them fixed yesterday. Late last night, we got the barn cleaned out. And it's all bedded up nicely. So I'll turn you around here in a minute. Today we hauled a load of hay to the Amishman. He needed a load of hay for the storm. So that's done. And took the kids out for a snack. Just laid them down, and I thought, well, I'm going to make a quick video, and got my mail, and I got a package in there. I'll show you here what I got in a minute too. So it came from Wyoming, and a lot of you probably know what I'm talking about, but let's go ahead and talk about these waters. Getting equipment ready here for the snow tomorrow. And yeah, I don't like just a lot of people like to talk in the cameras, but I don't mind. I like to see what I'm talking about. Who wants to see what I'm doing? All right, let's turn around here and I'll show you what I got. All right, we're back here in the barn, and so I had both water tanks leaking, and for the 3 months or so. So we totally rebuilt them, and we reset the bowls here so the balls are very lightly. You can see them; they're just barely floating there now. And we cleaned them, and so the animals are a lot happier. And this one did the same thing, rebuilt it with new valves in it. And I think I have a couple over here to show you what I did. And they sent a guy up here. Well, two guys came up from C&K and really did a nice job. You can see they're well bedded back there. And even the blacks are happy. There's strawberry coming. Here's red. Got a lot of reds. But while we're here at the beef, that's what... A lot of you know I'm in Pennsylvania, but we got a package here from Wyoming. Let's see it. Look at that. Beef jerky. From Wyoming. Our Wyoming Life. So it was really nice to receive that. Oops. Turn that on. I had two pieces already. I had the pepper one and I forget what the other one was. So this is teriyaki, I guess. Anyway. So, just got done pushing the feed back. I did close the floor a little bit here. We had to get some bales out. Now I can open that up and shut the big door. We got 5 of these girls in here are really bagging up here. Well, starting to. Pretty good. So, it won't be long here. Coming in the spring, they'll be going to the dairy. What else? So yeah, snow's on the agenda for tomorrow. Coming in early this morning. Or tomorrow morning, and I'm going to make sure everything's ready to go with the skid loader and the tractor. So again, it can be from 0 to I could look like 7 inches maybe, I don't know. It's a little bit farther north, and then some of the northern guys are supposed to turn into ice. So We'll see. These girls are cleaning up their sorghum Sudan grass. Looking for some corn silage there. Some of them are. But I'm really happy the barn's clean finally and dry. Mia's back there, and it just was like a lake in here for too long. Alright, well, I'm going to grab a snack here quick, and then we'll go up to the tractors here and check the upper barn. Well, as you can see, we're cleaned out of hay. We still have straw. Yes, I bumped the rails there, but they got to come out anyway. So I'm starting to take that down next. But I'll sweep the floor up. This is my little birdie here. She just hangs around here. Anyway, so we're all cleaned up here in the upper barn. I'll take the rails out like I said. And then move on to the next projects in life. I don't know if I want to back anything in here yet before it snows to shut it up, but what's wrong, baby? She thinks the skid loader is her mommy or something. She hangs out right with a skid loader. Pretty unique bird. Very curious too. Well, the video is not about the bird. Gonna shut this door. Hang on here a minute. Yeah, so I bumped the rails there with a skid loader. None damage. They just set up on top of these brackets, and they are heavy, but should get it cleaned up so nothing gets twisted in there. Then we can use our hay hole again. So this is a triticale here yet. I need to open the floor up for my boy, and then he can fork that down to him. We'll use this up. So I'll open the floor up, and then I can sweep this stuff up, clean the barn a little bit. Alright, so I just got done sweeping up here a little bit, and while I'm in here, this barn will be coming down eventually, and I got a lot of things to clean out of it first. So that'll be the first project, and then, well, the first was to get it empty of hay, and that's what we got done. And I might put a couple pieces of equipment in here, or a tractor, or I'm not sure yet, but what I'm going to plan on doing back in the trailer in here, we can load these rails up on the trailer. The ones up there will have to be lowered down with ropes. Or we just put the bucket up. Depends. I had the John Deere 5075M with a loader, and that's how most of these got up there. Now I trade that tractor off, so we won't have that. But a skid loader, or lower them down with ropes. So let's go ahead and go down here to the tractor and close this door. All right, guys. We'll find out. I think I seen a plug in this here to plug it in. I'm not sure for a heating plug-in. I don't want to start if I don't have to when it's this cold. So we'll research that a little bit and then plug it in. But what do you guys think about this new trade deal? And I think I was told by Trump that I should go out and buy some more bigger tractors. So I think that's what I'll do. Go out and buy some more bigger tractors and bigger equipment and land. So maybe that's on the agenda. Let me know what you guys think of the trade deal. I think it's going to take some time to come around, but it's going to be an exciting time here for the next year and a half, 2 years, that's for sure, in this farming industry. But I don't know what you guys are going to do as far as farmers, but I think when a man tells me to go out and buy more tractors, I'm going to buy more tractors and bigger tractors. Okay, right there's the plug to plug it in. So it does have a heat kit. So we'll get a cord over here and plug it in, and then should be ready to go. This has a battery shut off right there. I have it shut off now. You can see there. So should be able to snap that on and hit the key after it warms up a little bit and should be ready to go. I really like this 7290R. It's a really nice tractor. Okay, we're here at the John Deere 330G, and this is where we'll plug it in right there for heating it up. So this does pretty good in cold weather. Just gotta fire it up and let it run for a little bit. I have it out here. We gotta put some more baleage in or triticale. Well, we gotta push the feed back here a little bit, and everybody seems pretty content in here, all but that one. That one 114, she's a cute little girl with that white mark on her face. She won't look down here maybe, but she's a stocky little thing. There it is. Anyway, yeah, so being all serious here about the trade deal, you know, it's been a rough road. I'm not gonna, for all the farmers. You know, we complain a lot maybe, or at least I do, but raising cattle, raising crops, it's a big gamble in these times. So, if you have an opinion on the trade deal, leave it. I mean, it's something, and that complaining about it or say something positive about it. But yeah, Trump is trying to do his job, and he told me to go buy tractors, bigger tractors, and bigger equipment, and so that's what we'll do. And I think if you play your cards right and manage a little bit, things can turn out. But just us small guys are just making it go by each day, and there's 200 coming. He's a big boy. But we won't show these girls beef jerky I got from Wyoming. That's a different way they raise their cattle out in the plains. These are raised in the barn, and everything we do, it's a little different, and it works one way for them and works one way for me. But if you guys want to try some good jerky, check out our Wyoming Life website, our channel, and they have a nice selection of beef jerky. 200 doesn't look too happy there. We're talking about beef jerky. What do you say, buddy? We won't eat you. No, you're a good breeding bull. So, we'll continue to get ready for the snow tomorrow, and hope you enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you later.